This is infrared at the 42nd Street Bryant Park station, so that you don't have to be. We're going to take a short walk on the new free transfer between the 6th Avenue lines at Bryant Park and Times Square. It's Sunday, April 3rd, about 2:25 in the afternoon. This passageway has been open only a few months. In addition to this artwork, notice these angled supports at the top. I don't know what the technical term is for them. We'll come back to that in a minute. So we're walking west under 42nd Street. What does the wall on the other side look like? Not quite as interesting as this one. And now continue to notice that the angled struts continue. And now we get to the Times Square station, and here's the shuttle train about to depart for Grand Central. When this station was originally built in 1904, it was a local station, so trains stopped on that track, the southbound local, and basically on this track. And so this and this were the two express tracks originally. So we are walking on what used to be the express track, the northbound express track, which continues all the way to the connection at 6th Avenue. So this entire new passageway connecting the Times Square station with the 42nd Street Bryant Park station is basically built on the bed of the old northbound express track. And we have a work train sitting on what was the southbound local track, and in normal times would be an active shuttle track, the other active shuttle track. There are two shuttle tracks on the Times Square Grand Central shuttle, but only one of them is active today. It's out of service because of the Street Connector project. All shuttle trains will arrive at this station on track 4 only. All right. So that announcement kind of indicates that work on the passageway continues. Notice here the subtle reminder that this used to be a track. As it is here on the adjacent track, the adjacent former track. And here are the station columns, and again the angle struts, which used to separate a third shuttle track. And there's the work area, but that was formerly part of the active track. So part of what's been changed at this end of Times Square is you used to have to walk over a movable plate on one of the tracks. That's gone now. Right. And just to show this piece of art in the Times Square station, and there was a Roy Lichtenstein mural at one point. Is it still here? Okay. Oh yes. So, this is where we'll end today's short walk. Just wanted to show you the shuttle passageway. This is infrared, and this is what you've been watching.